Hey, everybody. I'm on my phone. I am here at Campbell's Hands-On Retreat. It's tomorrow and Friday and Saturday teaching classes. It's too hot, but this is the gallery that people have brought in to show. And as much as I can, I will try to tell you who the artists are. So let me switch to this. All right, you guys see this?
Yes.
Okay,
Yep.
This is Mark. This is Mark Wallace. He is a member of my club. These are his pieces here. I think that's gold leaf in the middle there. This is Rebecca's stuff. This is some of her walking boxes and mushrooms. This is, I believe this is Dave Curley, who is a member of the local club here. That's turned piece and the way that Derek Wiedemann does it. He does, Dave does a lot of lacing and he uses pine needles and stuff. He took Rebecca's class. He's doing an owl class this week. This is Tom Hale's work. So that's when we were carving last night on Facebook. He was working on a piece very similar to this one here. So the edges are carved. These next pieces here are from a gentleman by the name of Vinny Luciano. There's his card. Luciani, I guess. His pieces are gorgeous.
We've shown his work in our newsletter.
Cool. This is Jeff Hornung of Walnut Log.
Look at the detail on those. Those are awesome. Those bolts.
Yeah, it's incredible threaded stuff. I'm sure he's got a nut on the bottom of that one too.
Yeah.
And then of course his signature Moroccan blue piece. This is Jeff Walters. These pieces are mine. Sally Alt is in the house as of tonight, so some of her pieces are here. I think she's doing a twig pot demo. This is Jeff Allen from Texas. These are boxes. This is a guy by the name of Ken Bald, who is a local turner. Wow. This is a gentleman by the name of Glenn McCullough. He does the splash bowls. He is a member of my club also. These are the interference paint. I think he uses a balloon to do that with. This is a gentleman by the name of, these are kaleidoscopes by a gentleman by the name of Greg Ellison. So those are some of the stuff he puts in them. This is Lionel Bedard from Ottawa, Canada. And some of his work. I think he's teaching a 3-point bowl class. This is Andy Wolf, who has just come in tonight. So it's just the first time she's been here. So I'm looking forward to seeing what she does. I do not know who this guy is, but these are interesting. And here's some nested bowls. And then these pieces here are from Jim Williams, who is also a Canadian turner. This piece is huge. And he makes hats, so he's doing a hat class. So wood turned hat.
That is fun.
So I think that the class he's doing is a mini hat, but look at that.
Yeah.
And this is a piece from Cheryl, oh, I forget her last name, but Cheryl does the Encosta wax embellishments. So that's it.
Cool.
So thanks for letting me show that. So thanks for letting me show that, guys.
Oh yeah, you're welcome.
They're
So
all
it's a
beautiful.
great, yeah, it's a great group of people, and we've already, I mean, you've seen some of the pictures I've been posting. We've been having a lot of fun. That's one of the reasons why I come early, is so we can play around and carve and do all kinds of things. So it's
Right.
it's
Yeah,
a
you
it's
did
a
a
great
good
fun.
job on your. You did a good job on your self-portrait.
Yeah, doesn't look anything like me.
Just a little bit of fun. Nothing
Hey,
wrong
hey,
with
hey,
that.
Matt. Hey, Matt,
Yes, sir.
can you go back to the head of that dog again?
Yeah, that's like I said, I believe this is Dave Curley, but it's all turned.
Oh my God.
So
My-
I think
That's
it,
pretty neat.
Isn't that something? Oh my God.
So it's not small either. So it's pretty cool.
No, yeah, it sounded pretty solid still, actually.
Yeah,
Right.
there's quite a bit of meat left to that piece. So yeah, it's neat.
That's probably one of the best things I've ever seen.
Well, there's a lot of really cool work here today, and like I said, Sally Alt just came in, and so did Andy Wolf, who I haven't even met yet. So I don't know who did these. I don't know who that is. All right, well, it doesn't matter. Yeah, like I said, there's a lot of really cool work here. That's Cheryl Lewis with the Encosta wax. I remember the last name.
Yeah.
I blame dinner and lack of sleep.
Yeah. Nothing
Yeah,
to do with
it's
that
a wax. The wine was last night.
wine. Nothing
What's
wrong
that,
with
Steve?
that. Stay hydrated.
Yeah, she calls it Encosta wax. I don't know the.
We had a presentation on that a few months ago, but I don't remember exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So yeah, there's the wax process on that piece. It's melted on, and then you add things and more wax and so on and coloring. It's very interesting. So I watched her do it the class last year on it. It was neat. So anyway, any questions on any of that?
No, I don't think so.
Great.
I'm sure
Well, thanks.
you'll be bringing something back to the club soon on it.
I'm sure. Well, you guys saw it. Yeah, like I said, you guys saw what I posted yesterday. So there's a lot going
Yeah.
on here. So cool.
All right.
Well,
Well,
thanks
have
a lot.
fun. Enjoy. Y'all be
Yep.
safe.
I will. Thanks very much.
All right.